Hello everybody! Today I'm going to be showing you how to do slicing on the Cricut Design Space software. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come over here to Shapes and I'm going to select Heart because I am going to create a design that has the word love cut out of the heart. So I've got my heart and I'm going to add my text. And I'm going to drag it over where I want it to be sliced out. So I'm going to resize it a little bit. So I want it to be just right in the center. Once you get done with that, you are going to select both the text and the heart, whatever you're going to slice, and then you're going to hit slice down here on the bottom. Now once you have that, you still have 3 layers here. So the only one you want to keep is the one that says slice result that has the actual final image that you want. So you're going to take the other 2, select the 2 you don't need, and you're going to delete, and now you have one image with your text sliced out.